Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals.
Here we have a 2016 Honda Pilot Touring. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. When it comes to three-row SUVs that offer modern amenities, plenty of room for large families, and surprising efficiency, the 2016 Honda Pilot is at the top of the list. This Pilot has 20-inch alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Pilot is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, speed-sensitive wipers, and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Pilot has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive 23 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Pilot only has 65,920 miles on it. At the back of the Pilot, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, and the high mount light, along with the rear wiper, tow package, brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the power liftgate for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. The cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Pilot even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find a drop-down video screen and their own climate controls. They can use the fold-down armrest with rear cup holders, the headphones, and the power outlet, as well as the back seat pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Pilot is also equipped with a garage door opener, a locking glove box, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver's seat memory, the power liftgate, the door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Pilot has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 10 performance speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a DVD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, Pandora and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has speed-sensitive volume. You also have voice-activated dual automatic climate controls, and everything you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze.
If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.